Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bahria College Christianity, Class 9 Federal. I'm your math teacher, Miss Sananaya. Today we discuss chapter number 3, Logarithm, exercise 3.1 and 3.2. The objective of these exercises are: the student will be able to define scientific notation, movement of decimal in a scientific notation, converting to scientific to ordinary form, definition of logarithm, common logarithm and natural logarithm, exponential form, logarithmic form, characteristic and mantissa, antilogarithm. Scientific notation. The definition is: scientific notation is a way of expressing numbers that are too big or too small to be conveniently written in their decimal form in scientific notation. All numbers are written in the form of, let's suppose m is a number, multiply by 10 raised to the power n. The scientific notation form is start by counting digits left or right from the existing decimal point. The number of digits counted become the exponent with a base of 10. Count right to left and the exponent is positive. Count left to right and the exponent is negative. Example, we have a value 4 crore and 50 lakh. Now converted into a scientific notation form. So value becomes 4.5000000 into 10 raised to the power 7. Decimal point move right to left. 7 times power of 10 is equal to 7. The second example is 0.0000045. So we can write 4.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. Decimal point move left to right. 6 times power of 10 is equal to minus 6. Express each of the following numbers in a scientific notation. Question number 1, 5700 in a solution. Decimal place after last. Now move decimal point 3 places to the left, so power is 3 and value is equal to 5.7 into 10 raised to the power 3. Part 6, value is 0.00643. Decimal place 0 point. Now putting a decimal after first non-zero. Question number 2, express the following numbers in ordinary notation. Part 1, 6 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 in a solution. Move decimal point 4 places to the left, so values is equals to 0.0006 because power is minus 4. Part 2, 5.06 into 10 raised to the power 10 in a solution. Move decimal point 10 places to the right, so values is equals to 506, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Definition of logarithm. It is a useful tool for accurate and rapid computation. Common logarithm. In mathematics, the common logarithm is the logarithm with base 10. It is also known as the common logarithm. In general, logarithm of x to the base 10 equals to y. Natural logarithm. In mathematics, the natural logarithm is the logarithm with base e. It is also known as the natural logarithm and also known as natural logarithm. In general, logarithm of x to the base e equals to y and the value of e is 2.71 and so on. Exponent form. In general, a raised to the power y is equals to x. 3 square is equals to 9. Logarithmic form. In general, logarithm of x to the base a equals to y. Example, find logarithm of 2 to the base 4 in a solution. Let logarithm of 2 to the base 4 equals to x. First step, convert into exponent form. 4x is equals to 2. Now convert 4 into exponent form. 2 square whole power x is equals to 2. 2 raised to the power 2x is equals to 2 raised to the power 1. Bases are same, so exponent compare, which is equals to 2x is equals to 1 and the value of x is equals to half. Deduction form logarithm. Part 1, a raised to the power 0 equals to 1. Now convert into a logarithmic form. Logarithm of 1 to the base a equals to 0. Part 2, if a raised to the power 1 is equals to a, now convert into a logarithm. Logarithm of a to the base a equals to 1. Relation between exponential form and logarithmic form. Exponential form is equivalent to logarithmic form. A raised to the power y is equals to x for the exponential form, equivalent to logarithm of x to the base a equals to 1. The concept of antilogarithm. The number whose logarithm is given. Exercise 3.2. Question number 1. Find the common logarithm of each of the following numbers. Part 1, 232.92. In a solution, let x is equals to 232.92, taking log on both sides. Log of x is equals to log of 232.92. Consider only 4 digits. Log of x is equals to characteristic plus mantissa. Now convert 232.92 in a scientific form. So the power of 10 is 2. Characteristic is 2. Mantissa is a decimal part, so we can write 0.3655 and the mean difference is 17. Now add the mean difference value on a mantissa part, which is equals to 3672. Now write log of x is equals to 2.3672. If logarithm of 31.09 is equals to 1.4926, 1 is the characteristic and decimal 4926 is the mantissa. Find the value of the following without using calculator. In a first part, logarithm of 3.109, decimal place after first digit, so characteristic is 0 and the mantissa part is as it is. In a second part, logarithm of 310.9. Now moving decimal from right to left, so the characteristic is 2 and the mantissa part is same. In a third part, logarithm of 0.003109. Now moving decimal from left to right, so the characteristic is 3 bar 0.4926 as it is. In fourth part, logarithm of 0.3109. Now decimal move from left to right after 3, so the characteristic is 1 bar 0.4926 as it is. Question number 3. Find the number whose common logarithm are. Part 1, 3.5621. In a solution, log of x is equals to 3.5621, taking antilog on both sides. When we apply antilog, log and antilog are cancelled out with each other and the remaining value is x is equals to antilog of 3.5621. We focus only a decimal part because 3 is the characteristic. The antilog of 0.5621 is 3648 and the mean difference is 1. Now add, the value becomes 3649. So x is equals to 3649 because characteristic is a 3, so decimal place after 4 digit. Question number 4. What replacement from the unknown in each of the following will make the statement true? Part 1. Logarithm of 81 to the base 3 equals to L. To find out the value of L in a solution, logarithm of 81 to the base 3 is equals to L is equivalent to 81 is equals to 3 raised to the power L. Exponential form is 3 raised to the power 4 because 3 power 4 is equals to 81 is equals to 3 power L. Bases are same. Compare exponent. L is equals to 4. class 9 Federal. This is your home task of exercise 3.1 and 3.2.